Amy D. Cohen from Strongest Minds. This week we're doing our series on stress and overwhelm and how to get rid of it. So today I want to talk to you about a remedy for those of you who are people pleasers and just don't know how to say no. You have this overdeveloped sense of obligation to take care of others. An indication that would be beautiful to use this remedy, globe thistle, Globethistle, one word from Finthorn Flower Essences, is if you're feeling you maybe emotionally distance yourself when you are feeling overwhelmed, when you feel overgiving leads to negative emotions, you feel irritated, you want to criticize, you feel impatience. When you feel an overdeveloped sense of obligation and responsibility, when you're taking the role of the martyr or feeling like you're being taken advantage of, which happens a lot because when you're a people pleaser, you always say yes. People can count on you. In an attempt to serve others, your life has become exhausting and unsatisfying. That is huge because you feel like you're working every day taking care of others when you don't even feel you want to, you can't say no, and you don't feel appreciated. That's huge. So when you take this remedy, globe thistle, what it will do for you is create healthy yet flexible boundaries. Boundaries are usually important. You don't want to be able to say no and feel bad about it, but this is going to help you to say, I'm sorry, I can't do this. You'll feel very comfortable in saying no. You are as diligent in meeting your own needs as you are meeting the needs of others. You have more patience, more flexibility. You give unconditional service from your heart, and you know your limitations and you honor your own needs. This is what this remedy will do for you. It's a beautiful remedy. It will still help you if you want to help others to do that, but you'll be serving your needs as well. And it'll give you a willingness to go beyond self-interest and give of yourself for the good of others. Not feel like you have to, but because you want to. And I am telling you, you are going to be serving your soul when you use these remedies, and you are going to be living your purpose on your path, not for anyone else. And you are going to see that your stress and overwhelm is going to go down to zero. I promise you that, my friends. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Amy D. Cohen. If you have any questions, please write them down below. Do not forget to subscribe because I put out amazing videos for you every day. Take care, my friends.